Guys, I'm JD, this is Rank G,
yeah.
and today on iPodcasters we are talking about like what we think of like modern music and modern rap compared to like more of the olden music. Some people call it like the golden days of music.
The old school rap.
Yeah, like 90s or 80s. I don't know about 80s, maybe 90s.
Yeah,
I like
probably
90s.
yeah.
Alright, but my thoughts on like modern music is a lot of people they don't like to be they don't think of being like original anymore. They don't have any original ideas. They keep going with people's cliches and crap, like some artists like I don't know, Lil Wayne or like Drake or just some other people. Oh, Iggy. I mean,
Yeah.
Even though, and here's the thing, like, and when we talk about Iggy, don't get offended and think like we don't like her because she's a white girl rapping. Like, there's no problem with that. Like,
Yeah.
I mean, honestly, if she was a good at rapper, that'd be fantastic. Like, actually have never seen like a girl rapper before. Have you? Wait, I think Andre Grande. I think she raps a little bit.
Ariana Grande.
Yeah.
I think so actually.
She did it in like one song actually, but yeah, I mean, if it would be great if she did, but it's just like a lot of people like they just don't have any original ideas, and it's pretty sad. What are your thoughts on like modern crap nowadays?
Most of it's crap.
Yeah, I know. Like it's not the shit. It's shit.
Yeah, but like if you compare the modern rap or just modern music now compared to like the 90s, like the 90s was way more like original ideas and everything.
Yeah,
and
it really was.
All around it was just way better than modern music now. It's
like what do you have any favorite like bands from the 90s you heard of? I think Linkin Park was from the 90s.
That one was good.
Oh my
actually.
god. Dude, there's something about like have you ever heard of there's this one album they did that it had this magnificent sounding instruments. Like I don't know how to explain it, but some of the music back in, they use these certain instruments. Oh wait, have you heard Eminem Infinity, that album?
I think so, yeah.
Dude, like like his Infinity song?
Oh yeah.
It had this magnificent, like, I don't know, it's like the bass and everything sounded, I don't know,
like
it's just
all together to make it sound good. Yeah.
It does, and I mean, it was like uncut stuff back then. Like, they couldn't really cut it like now, how we can nowadays.
Yeah.
And like they made magnificent sounding like music back then with some of the
definitely.
And they did like original shit. And now nowadays it's just like fucking, I don't know, rappers like talking about sex or like fucking hoes, and then like fucking featuring shitty ass like pop stars in their music. Like, oh, thank you. Oh, I wanted this shitty ass fucking.
It's just ridiculous. Like all these new rappers that are coming in. I think you just said this in the opening of the video, but like, yeah, like all of these new rappers and like pop stars, like Justin Bieber, for instance, they're all shit. Like they don't do anything original.
Yeah, it's unfortunate. Like, not to like say to everybody that we're so much better than everybody else, but we kind of are, because we're me and Rank G. Well, we're rappers, as you probably don't know, but that's okay. You will know us one day. But we actually have original ideas, thanks to like good rappers like Eminem or like his old stuff and shit. Like just more original stuff. Like with my raps. What would make my raps like more original is like, you know, angry raps about like, I don't know, life, or like, I don't know, just like something different than like same shitty fucking like shit you see every day.
Yeah.
And it sucks. Also, sorry guys if I keep stuttering. I am on like 2 energy drinks.
Same here.
And that was probably a bad thing for like our first podcast in a while. It's been fucking forever.
I know, right?
Well, like, like a month?
Yeah, guys, so like, we have not done a podcast in a while.
Yeah.
Because Jace's old computer actually died, like, what was it, like 3 or 4 weeks ago?
I think longer.
Yeah,
well, it felt like longer, because I didn't...
Yeah, like a month ago.
Yeah.
It, like, died, and then we weren't even able to, like, film anything, like, podcast. This is, like, our first one in, like, a month, so...
Yeah.
It's kind of difficult to get back into the swing of things, but I mean, we'll make it happen.
Yeah, we will make it happen.
Yes.
Like, cause like for a while we were doing really good with our podcast. Yeah. But anyways, so the next topic is, what does it take to be a good rapper? Like, what do you think, man? Like, what do you think would be like the best?
Oh,
of the West.
Why had to put me on the spot, my friend? But,
yes.
But probably just being original, like.
Yeah.
Just create something original. Yeah.
Yeah, just like anything original, like think of these different topics. Like for anyone that's watching this who wants to be a rapper, think of these topics. Okay, so like the mainstream rappers, what do they sing about? Stuff I just said, the sex, fucking hoes, money, bragging.
Yeah.
Don't do that shit, man. Just don't do it. It's just so old.
Yeah, you're gonna be like the rest of the rappers nowadays.
Yeah, try new topics, like anything, like even if it like there's this new, I don't know, rapper that like came out and he's trying to change the genre, like by basically helping out like people with like depression. He like raps about that and like helps them with that. That's original and stuff. Or like have an angry rap, like if you're like fucking angry one day, like you're just having a bad day, rap about it. That's what I fucking do. And it really helps. It's like a big rant, and like people, I've noticed that a lot of people love angry raps. Like it's just awesome. It's just something about like someone putting such extreme emotions into like a song. It's really cool. Kind of like have you heard of Eminem's song Kim? Or something?
Yes, actually I have.
Wasn't that like, it was scary, but at the same time, like, something about it was cool, because he, like, showed how much emotion, well, okay, I mean, besides the fact that it was basically a story about him killing someone, but...
Jace, this actually goes into what makes a good rapper, too, is, like, if you're angry... rap about that. Make, like, an angry rap and stuff.
Yeah, or if you're sad, like, I've done that before.
Like, rap about your emotions and how you feel and everything.
Exactly, that's the best thing.
Yeah, like, that's what rap should be. It
really should be. As long as it's out of the boundaries of, like, sex, or if you do rap about those topics, try something different. No one gives a fuck if you fuck hoes. And you probably don't, so. Well, not to be mean, but I am so sick of hearing these rappers like, oh, I fuck 20 hoes a day. Oh, touch my rosy balls. I don't fucking know. Like, it's so annoying. We don't want to hear about your crotch. We don't want to hear about your money. We don't want to hear about that. Emotions, like, show your actual emotion in the song. Just like he said, it's the best thing. Like. Alright, and our next topic, and we have to, like, rush through this because we don't have much time on our, like, on the camera, which kind of sucks, so we gotta, like, rush it.
The next topic is, the struggle of being an artist. Like, what struggles do most artists go through?
And there's a lot.
Yeah, there definitely is. So, what are some of the struggles and...
there's a lot. Like most, like, artists nowadays, like, it's hard getting known with all this other noise of these...
Definitely.
I've seen some, like, rappers, like, on their, like, social media, they like, talk about, like, they see all these crappy mainstream ones, and they're like, I'm different. Why is no one, like, see my shit? It's just, like, it's persistence. You need persistence.
Yeah, definitely.
And you need some way to, like, you need to, like, promote yourself a little bit, which is unfortunate, but I believe that's actually, at least helps a little bit. Like, promote yourself on YouTube or Thumpin', which takes a lot of money and I can't do, which kind of sucks.
Yeah.
And, it's just, like... It kind of sucks at first being, like, an artist, because it's just so hard to get, like, known at first.
Yeah.
But it takes time, and eventually it happens.
Yeah, it's unfortunate, like, trying to get known. That's probably the hardest part of becoming, like, a new rapper. For instance, like us, we're sort of new rappers. We've been doing it for how long now? Like,
Probably like a few months, but we haven't recorded much stuff because we don't have a good mic. Like, literally, this is our mic, and I can't handle that kind of quality. Like, I would like to give, like, my viewers, like, amazing quality sound, well, at least decent quality sound.
Yeah.
That is not good. I feel like I'm really ranting here, but that's okay.
Yeah, it's fine though.
Yeah, no, it works.
Yeah.
But yeah, it just sucks, and, like, I mean, if you're, like, a new artist, it's like, keep going, man.
Yeah.
And yeah. So. Alright,
in a way, persistence is key. Because I mean,
persistence really is key with like. Basically anything, like your dreams, your goals, fucking bitches.
So,
and like, yeah.
The next topic is, how to freestyle. Like,
how do you do this?
Yes, how do you freestyle?
We should show you in a sec, but like, freestyle, is weird. It's with that, like, fucking freestyle is hard. Like,
yeah, definitely.
You have to come up with it on the spot. Some people like to write it out, but I do not. And well, I'm not really used to freestyle, and neither of us are.
Yeah, like freestyling should be like, think of it like as you are rapping. Like, yeah, like he was saying, like most people will just like write it down and like try and memorize it. But
that's it's almost not a freestyle. Yeah. Nah, my boy, I don't
yeah, me neither. But like it gives you more of a challenge if you think of it as you're rapping. You know, like I like a challenge. So
yeah, me too. And it's like, so you have to like think of like, well, first off, actually, it's good if you've written a lot of like raps before, because then when you're rapping, that's the kind of like rhymes in your head that like you remember while you're rapping. Mm-hmm. It's super hard. Like yeah, it's just, it takes a lot of practice.
Yeah, definitely.
That was nasty. And we are going to show you how to freestyle. We are going to freestyle, and it's going to be shitty as fuck.
This is going to be horrible, my friend.
But at least we have a beat, and like...
Yeah, he actually made this beat in like 5 seconds, he's told me.
Yes, that was like a ninja.
Yeah, so let's get to this, my friend.
Oh man, this is going to be horrible. So remember, just like, with the beat, sort of like... Do whatever I was in it. Like, oh, is this in that? Oh, I thought it was in that. Holy shit, never mind. But,
oh, yes, my friend. I am as ready as...
dude, this is gonna be hard. Oh, by the way, guys, this beat, you can, check out my other channel, The Craze Side, and, like, download it. Oh, there's a link here.
That's our band, if you guys didn't know.
Yes.
We are The Craze Side.
Yes, we are The Craze Side.
Yes.
We're crazy. We'll fuck your mother.
Wait, what?
Alright, I'm gonna drink a lot of energy drink before that, because I need it. And you guys are gonna laugh your ass off at this fucking horrible...
So, this is what we've had so far. We've had a Red Bull. Now we're drinking Amp. I don't know. That's... we're very hyper right now, if you can't tell.
Holy shit. Okay, let's do this. This is gonna be fun. I haven't written any raps in, like... forever, so I probably don't remember any rhymes.
Me neither.
But let's do this. Let's do this anyway. Alright.
Let's get to this. Alright,
here we go. Oh, snap. Swag. Oh, wait, actually, wait, let me turn that up. No, not yet.
Oh, shit. That sounds freaking sick, though.
Alright. Alright, here we go. We got this.
Hopefully you guys can hear this.
Yeah, I'm not sure. If not, it doesn't matter.
Yes.
Yo, my name is JD. I live like Slim Shady. I'm insane. I'm crazy. I'm deranged. I fuck your mom while she's pooping on the door. It's so good. You did.
Oh my god. Oh yeah. Yo. Oh god. My name is Ranky. I am very bad at rapping.
Freestyle. You should put that in the freestyle.
Yes. I'm very bad at rapping, or freestyling, or, I just said that. Oh, yeah, I'm so good. No, not really. Oh my god.
Alright, pass it to me, Rain G.
Oh, I will pass it to you, JD.
Alright, so, every night, every morning, I do the same thing. I rock the house. I fucking rock it down. And when I see your mom, I'm like, goddamn, she's a big-ass fucking clown. Think of fucking Binky the Clown, man. Think of the joy. Think of the humongous tits. What? Oh, don't sing about that mainstream shit. Oh, and when I lick your mom, I lick her right on the tits. Wait, whoa, TMI, man. Like, what the hell? Like, whoa, I'm doing too many hand gestures. I just told your mama, like she's fucking Obama. And she's like, yo, too much drama. And when I'm seeing your mom in the basement, I'm like, oh shit, someone should have killed her, Link. Or someone did kill her.
Oh shit.
Oh geez, that worked perfect.
Oh damn.
Oh shit. And that's how it goes. And if you want some hoes, you gotta lick your mama. Wait, don't do that. Too much TMI. Alright.
Oh man. Well, I mean...
Dude, that almost worked at first,
man. Actually.
Holy shit, these
Even mine sort of worked too, but mine was horrible. But
oh my God, it's okay.
There's a little taste of freestyling. Like that's sort of what
that's what happens. That's what it's gonna look like when you do it. You may laugh at me, but
yes, at first you're gonna see how difficult it is. Like. It is very difficult, like trying to think of stuff in your head as like the music's playing. Because that
was fucking fun though.
I know it was.
Oh shit, the camera's bad there. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed that horrible freestyle. You can even put in the freestyle. I'm a kid, get the bad freestyle. I don't give a shit.
Yeah.
I'm all them like that. Oh shit, no.
Oh damn.
I'm just flipping off the monkeys.
Yeah, we're practicing
over there, and we flip them off. We're like, oh bitch. What?
But yeah, we're just starting out. With freestyling and everything. Yeah, we're bad right now, but we're practicing it and we'll eventually be really good at it.
Yes.
And yes, you should check out our raps that we've done so far. We're gonna be.
Oh yeah, check out my channel, Crayside, right there.
Yes.
I think you can put a link to it.
And we're gonna be releasing a album very soon. It's gonna be 10 songs, isn't it? 5 from each of us.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be on this Friday. Anyways, guys, see you later.
See you guys later.
Give those monkeys a bird. You see them over there?
Oh, they're flying around, man.